What's up, guys? This is the Internet Income Ninja coming to you on Tuesday, March 8th, 2022. It is 6:46 p.m. Most of you are coming home, or for those who've been home all day, it's time to wind down and get dinner going and all that jazz. If you're on a train, I hope you get home quickly. But at that point in time and on that date, this recording or this lead actually was posted 4 hours ago. If this is your first time joining us on this channel, this is the Internet Income Ninja. We talk about making money online, working from home or the office or a coffee shop or the beach. We focus on working remotely, okay? And stuff you can do without having to physically be at your work or at your job. Now, this video will be posted on March 9th. But as I've said before, it was recorded March 8th, 6:46 p.m. Eastern Standard Time. So that will give you some reference whenever you see this video and will help you have some idea of how far along things are and what the likelihood of this position still being open is. Alright. Now it says it's freelance, it's not a permanent position, but they are seeking people internationally. They have specified that they want people living in Australia. So if you're an Aussie, this is for you. Okay? The company that you'll be working for is Telus, and you will be working as an online data analyst. Alright? Now, the ideal candidate should have good research skills, a strong understanding of local and national information. Cultural, geographical, social media, and current affairs knowledge are extremely important in this role. Now, to have premier access to getting this lead, or rather getting this role, you must be fluent in English. Okay? You must be living in Australia for the last 2 consecutive years. You should have working knowledge of local and national geographical areas. You must pass an open book online evaluation to demonstrate capability of reading and applying the guidelines. Experience or know-how of using online maps, search engines, and website research is definitely something you need to be able to do. You must have familiarity with current and historical business, media, sport, news, social media, and cultural affairs in Australia is something that they want you to have as well. You should have access to and use of a broadband internet connection and associated computer and software to perform the work, all provided at your own expense. So the company is not going to provide your tech for you to do the job. Now, some benefits: flexible hours to work around home life, better work-life balance, remote work and location independence, and a positive environmental impact. Now, an important notice: Telus International will never request a monetary deposit for any role or project with the company, and our recruitment and sourcing teams only use at telusinternational.com or at telusinternational.ai addresses when emailing candidates. If you are unsure as to whether a job offer is legitimate, please contact us at TI_AI community support at telusinternational.com for confirmation. So they are fighting against scammers. A lot of people have been scamming people out of their wits, scamming them of their savings, promising stuff. And it's not just any one particular entity or one particular field of employment. It's across the board. Even if you go on Instagram, there are people who have been entrepreneurs and they've had some Instagram or Facebook presence. People have been cloning their accounts, pretending to be that person or entity, and have been scamming people of their money, their hard-earned money. So Telus International is letting you know that you need to look out for communication only from those 2 email addresses. Again, at telusinternational.com and at telusinternational.ai. Okay? So they're saying if you're not sure if it's legitimate, contact them at this bit of information. TI_AI community support at telusinternational.com. Okay. The position will allow you to work from home as an independent contractor on a flexible schedule of up to 20 hours per week, completing tasks in a web-based evaluation tool. The tasks will involve determining the relevance and accuracy of information by performing online research and referring to guidelines provided to you. You will be rating tasks to validate data. You will be helping to authenticate data that will be used in live online search tools and applications by millions of users across the world. Now, if you want to work as a data analyst because you're living in Australia and also you want to work remotely, maybe you became part of the tiny house movement and you have a tiny house on wheels. You just want to be on the open road, or you want to work from the beach, or what have you. You're living in Australia, you're a data analyst, go ahead and hit this button. What you should also hit is the subscribe button, the like button, the bell icon, the notification icon, so that whenever a video drops, you will be notified. Also, you should go ahead and hit the comment section. Let me know where you're watching this from. Let me know how some of the leads have helped you. So yeah, go ahead and apply for that. Share it with your friends. Share it on social media. Somebody out there could use the help. And thanks for watching. This is the Internet Income Ninja, helping you make money online. Stay safe. Pray for those who are going through turmoil at this time, but also ensure that you secure your financial freedom. With that said, I'll see you guys in the next one. Peace.